Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, that is Book Dissection. And here we are going to begin part 2 of how to win friends and influence people. If you would like to see part 1, please the link is given in the description below, please click on the link. Yes, so we have discussed 5 points how to win friends and influence people. Moving on to the next point, that is listen more and speak less. Let us understand this with an example. So there was a party going on and there were 2 women who were not actually involved in the party. So they started talking to each other. Out of them, one woman was a professor of botany. And that particular woman started discussing about her subject. And it was almost 1 hour that she was speaking and the other lady got bored of that listening. Although she had no other option, she had to listen to whatever was being spoken. But if you continuously speak, what happens is you are creating a negative image on the other person. What is important is you should listen more. You should try to understand what that person actually wants. What are the interests of that particular person? In that manner, you will be able to influence that person better. Next point is give importance to others. Very, very important point. I think all of you listening over here have seen Munna Bhai MBBS and you have also heard about Jadoo Ki Jhappi. So what is that Jadoo Ki Jhappi actually? See, every person is obviously doing the work that is assigned to that person. But if you give importance to that person, what did that Jadoo Ki Jhappi do? Actually, Munna Bhai did give that Jadoo Ki Jhappi to a sweeper. A sweeper who was obviously doing his work for years and years. He was frustrated, he was annoyed. But when that Jadoo Ki Jhappi was given to that person, he felt importance. So it is very important to give importance to the people so that they will obviously like you. Don't ignore them. Give importance to each and every role that is played by a person. Next important point is don't argue. A very beautiful line said by someone, if you lose it, you lose it. If you win it, you lose it. If you have won the argument, then also somewhere you have let that person gone down because of your winning. And that will definitely create a barrier between your interaction. Does not mean that you should not put forward your point. Obviously, you should put your point forward, but not in a mood to argue, in a very healthy discussion. So never argue. And the last point that is told in the book, How to Win Friends and Influence People, is Secret of Socrates. Socrates was a philosopher, a well-renowned philosopher. And he gave a very important point to influence people, that is, always begin with positive points while starting a conversation. Let us understand this with an example. There was a shopkeeper, and every now and then, many customers used to come to that shopkeeper with some problems, this or that. And that shopkeeper obviously was annoyed and frustrated. Anytime a customer used to come to him, he used to get angry, infuriated. And then the resultant was his business decreased because people stopped coming to him. A friend of his gave him a suggestion that whenever a customer comes to you, start with a positive conversation. He asked, you please tell me what is that positive way of starting that conversation when that person has come to tell me complaints. So the person suggested him that whenever a client comes to him, be very polite, smile and ask, yes, I know that my people, the people working with me have done a lot of mistakes. My dealers are supplying some bad products. How can I help you? So when you start that conversation with a positive way, the other person's anger also will be somewhere declining, that intensity will slow down and result will be a healthy conversation. So these are the 9 points that we have discussed, how to win people and how to influence people and how to make more and more friends, which will definitely help you to improve your public image. Please share in the feedback, how do you feel about this video? Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.